how to deposit BNB on Coinbase Wallet. So first of all, I'm going to be opening my Coinbase Wallet, and here as you can see I have this option of add crypto. So simply click onto that. You can click on receive crypto, and here you can see we have multiple options. And if you want to simply incorporate BNB, you can see we have some other assets showing up in here, but we cannot find BNB. So that is going to be a problem because currently it does not support BNB directly. So you're going to be needing to convert your assets in any of the, you can say, like available tokens. So you can see token is not available here, but yeah, to add your BNBs on your Coinbase wallet, you can simply convert it or swap it to any other ones, like for example Solana. If I click on add crypto, you can see you're going to be having different options. You also have this option transfer from Coinbase, but we are not going to be using that. So yeah, so basically that is the only way to store your tokens, and then you can, if you want to later on use BNB, you can swap it back from Solana to BNB or whatsoever. So this is the workaround for now. If you have any updates in future, I will be letting you know, and till next time, take care and goodbye.